In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Teams. Turning on dark mode in Teams is a simple way to make the app easier on your eyes, especially in low-light environments or if you just prefer a darker interface. Microsoft's current support guidance says, Teams includes appearance settings where you can switch between light mode, dark mode, and in some versions, a setting that follows your operating system theme. First, open Microsoft Teams and sign into your account. On desktop, click Settings and More near your profile picture, then choose Settings. After that, open Appearance. Microsoft's Teams settings page shows that appearance controls are managed from the Settings area, and Microsoft's Teams free support page specifically lists appearance as the place where theme options are found. Now look for the Theme section. From there, choose Dark. In some versions of Teams, you may also see options like Light, Follow Operating System Theme, or High. Contrast. Microsoft says that once you select Dark, Teams changes to the dark theme, and in some cases on mobile or Teams Free, you may be asked to restart the app for the change to fully apply. If you're using Teams on mobile, the steps are also straightforward. Tap your profile picture, open Settings, then go to Appearance and choose Dark. Microsoft's support page for Teams Free says, mobile users can switch between light, dark, and system default, which is useful if you want Teams to match your phone's theme automatically. There is also another useful option worth mentioning. Microsoft says some versions of Teams include a setting to follow the operating system theme, which means Teams will automatically switch between light and dark depending on your Windows, Mac, iPhone, or Android device settings. That can be a good option if you want all your apps to stay visually consistent. And if your goal is an even darker or more accessible interface, Microsoft also documents a high contrast theme in Teams that is separate from normal dark mode, but it can be helpful if you need stronger contrast and reduced glare while working. So the steps are simple. Open Teams, go to Settings, select Appearance, choose Dark, and let the app apply the new theme. That's how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Teams. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.